So, like, like right at the other part where I started off, like, just did these windows. Is this square actually? Yes, this is not square, and this is. So let's change that, I guess. Let's join these up. Like how wide is this? 6.5 meters. So if we want to have it square, it should be 6.5 meters. Well, now we have it at 8. So what if we can scale it? Ah. Let's scale it back to scale on the z-axis. We want to scale it to about. Wait, what if we? Like, how high up is this? We can do this. Like, this should be at 12. Yeah. What if we duplicate this? X, move this a bit forwards. So the center point is 12, and we want to have it at like 6.5 height. So 12 minus 3.25 is 8.75. 8.75. And this should be at 15.25. So let's select everything, and then deselect this unit, scale it on Z, and make it exactly that. There we go. Delete face, and then move it back to its original position. There you go. Now it's square. Yeah, it looks better. Looks more like that. So we're gonna do the same thing again, but now I just want these. Yeah. Let me get these. Wait, do I? No, they're not connected anyway, so I don't have to do that. Oh, that's rendered view. I didn't want that. I'm a bit bad at selecting and pressing the wrong key. I just have fat fingers, you know. Z0.1. There we go. Let's just create like that nice. Yeah, it adds a bit of detail, that concrete ridge, so I like it. I like it. Let's delete the backside. We're never gonna see. We don't want any of those. Wait. And then for easy movement, I want to have these in a separate object for now. There we go. Now I can grab these without moving the others. This is probably not how the pros do their stuff, but hey, it's how I do my stuff, and it seems to work out for me. Hey, come on. GX. I couldn't just do that, but that's not any fun, right? I guess. Yes. And then the only thing left to do is should set something like this. 20, nah, 60 centimeters. There we go. Does it look like a lot right now? Like for added detail, we could extrude the windows inwards a bit. We're already at 356 triangles, so we still need to do like the whole side. So I'm not gonna do that. This is like those edges already give enough detail, I think. So the beauty of this, like, is there? No, there isn't. Yeah, damn it. Well, the beauty of this is like having this in one object. We can do array like this. Wait, is it leaning forwards? It is. What the fuck? Oh, that's why it doesn't work. What the fuck? It's a dinosaur. Why the fuck is it like this? What did I do to do that? I probably misclicked the button. Or I can rectify it. Am I right? Actually, it's leading a lot forwards. Like leaning about 5 centimeters forwards. Yeah, this should be about good. Oh, wait. Is it connected? No, it's not. Why no move backwards? There you go. I'll fix the this part. Wait, is it skewed in another way? It fucking is. I'm tempted to just remake it. Why the fuck is it like that? What did I do wrong? I'm gonna have to rewatch it. Well, at least you can see it, like fixing your own models is a pain now. I think everything is cubed by the same amount. Oh, we can do this. I'm just gonna tell you it's on purpose that I did this, so you can see how much of a pain it is to fix it. Oh, what the fuck? I also can show you with this that nothing is staged here. I didn't stage anything. Oh, I should have done these, but there you go. Probably could have done that easier by actually modeling like it's supposed to. And I guess mistakes happen. I want quest calling under, yeah. Yeah. It does line up nicely now. So the other thing I want to do is select you, not you, you, you. Duplicate it to another object. Get rid of that. Rotate it on the x-axis 180 degrees. And move it to here. There you go. That's about how it looks right here. Like, oh, got this. There you go. Beautiful. Now we just have to tip it off. We can do it later. It's just like this one, but double, and then another edge, but it is extruded further. Duplicate you to there. There you go. Also, like, you can do this. You can make a taller version of it. We'll first just go for the normal version. Then, like, continue in a different way. So this side, I believe, is same but different. Yeah, it's literally everything, but like there is an entrance here. Like copying facade, like it's nothing interesting. So we're gonna start texturing now. But before I'm gonna start texturing, I'm gonna tell you that it's the end of another one of those episodes. I'm at like 41 minutes of recording time, a bit more now. Yeah, like just separating the textures, or like we don't like cut out the episode right in the middle of like the first texturing and UV mapping. So yeah.